Have you ever wondered why, even after a full night's sleep, you can wake up feeling weaker than the day before? Isn't sleep supposed to restore strength? For many people over 60, the shocking truth is that your body may actually be losing muscle while you rest. That slow decline is called sarcopenia, and it quietly steals independence from millions of seniors. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Tonight, I'm going to reveal how your body can rebuild strength while you sleep, starting with a nutrient most people ignore. And let me be clear, there's a very important message for every senior at the end of this video, so don't miss it. The first vitamin I want to share is magnesium. People call it the relaxation mineral, but its role goes far beyond helping you drift off to sleep. Magnesium is the key that unlocks your body's ability to actually use protein. Think of it like this. Protein is the building material for your muscles, the bricks and lumber. Magnesium is the toolbox. Without tools, the construction crew can't build anything, no matter how much material you deliver. That's why so many seniors eat protein-rich meals, drink shakes, and still feel stiff and weak in the morning. Their muscles aren't getting repaired because the toolbox is missing. And here's the part most people don't realize. Magnesium deficiency is incredibly common after 60. As we age, our bodies absorb less of it. Medications like diuretics or antacids make it even harder. Add years of stress and a diet full of processed food. And it's no wonder that so many older adults are unknowingly running on empty. If you've ever experienced restless legs, nighttime cramps, or twitches in your muscles, those are what I call magnesium whispers. They are little signals from your body asking you to refill what has quietly been lost. And this is exactly why I recommend magnesium glycinate or citrate at night. Around 200 to 400 milligrams, depending on the person, is often enough to make a difference. These forms are absorbed more easily and less likely to upset the stomach. Taken before bed, magnesium doesn't just help you fall asleep. It helps you stay asleep and enter the deeper stages where the real recovery happens. That's where your body rebuilds muscle fibers, clears inflammation, and resets hormone levels. Imagine waking up not stiff and sore, but refreshed, steady, and ready to move with confidence. That is the power of restoring this one mineral. Now, I need you to remember something very important. Magnesium is just the beginning. It opens the door to recovery, but it is not the only key. In fact, when paired with the other vitamins I'll reveal in this video, the effects multiply. I'll show you exactly how later on, but trust me, you don't want to miss what I'll share at the end. Too many seniors give up hope, thinking weakness and muscle loss are just part of aging. That's not true. Your body is designed to heal, but it can only do so if you give it the right support. Magnesium is the first step, and in just a moment, I'll show you the second, a vitamin you already know, but may not be using correctly. And when you hear how it works together with magnesium at night, you'll understand why I call it the missing piece for strength after 60. Stay with me, because the message I'll share at the end of this video could change how you look at aging forever. In part 1, we uncovered how magnesium acts like the toolbox your muscles need at night. Without it, your body simply can't turn the protein you eat into strength. But magnesium is only the beginning. There's another vitamin that becomes even more critical after 60, and many people are unknowingly missing it. I'm talking about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Most people think of it as something for bone health, but its role in your muscles is far greater. And here's where it gets interesting. Studies show that low vitamin D levels directly contribute to poor balance, weak legs, and faster muscle loss. Seniors with deficiency often feel wobbly, tired, or notice their legs don't respond like they used to. But once those levels are corrected, something amazing happens. They regain steadiness, strength, and confidence. I've seen it with my own patients, and it can be life-changing. Here's the secret many don't realize. Vitamin D works best when taken at night, especially when paired with magnesium. Magnesium actually activates vitamin D, allowing your muscles to respond to its signal. Together, they form a powerful synergy that fuels repair while you sleep. That's why I recommend vitamin D3, not D2, because D3 is more potent and easier for your body to use. And ideally, it should be paired with vitamin K2. Why? Because K2 guides calcium into your bones where it belongs, instead of letting it harden in places like arteries. The exact amount varies. Some people do well with 1,000 IU daily, while others may need 2,000 or even 5,000 IU depending on their lifestyle and sunlight exposure. But here's what I can say with confidence. Once your vitamin D is optimized, you will feel the difference. Stronger legs, better balance, less pain, and in many cases, even deeper sleep. And remember, we're building to a very important message I'll share at the end, so stay with me. The third vitamin on this nighttime routine may surprise you because most people only think of it during flu season, but for seniors, it's absolutely essential for muscle and joint recovery. I'm talking about vitamin C. Here's why it matters so much. Vitamin C is the spark your body needs to produce collagen. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds your muscles, tendons, and joints together. Without enough of it, tissues weaken, joints stiffen, and muscles become more fragile. As we age, collagen production drops sharply, which is why so many people over 60 deal with stiffness, sagging muscles, and slower recovery. Vitamin C steps in as the quiet hero. It helps rebuild that scaffolding, strengthens connective tissue, and protects muscles from oxidative stress, the hidden damage that speeds up aging. Think of vitamin C as insurance for your muscles and joints, making sure every night's sleep is also a time of repair. I often suggest something simple and natural, a warm glass of water with fresh lemon before bed, or a handful of strawberries, kiwi, or a small orange after dinner. These whole food sources provide steady vitamin C that your body recognizes and uses easily. If you prefer, a small supplement can also work. Taken in the evening, it supports collagen building right when your body is doing its deepest healing. And when you combine it with magnesium and vitamin D, the results are powerful. Magnesium relaxes your body and activates recovery. Vitamin D signals your muscles to respond and grow stronger. And vitamin C rebuilds the structure that keeps everything firm, steady, and flexible. Now here's that important message I promised. Growing older does not mean surrendering to weakness. Too many seniors believe muscle loss is inevitable. It's not. Even at 60, 70, or 80, your body still wants to heal. Your muscles still want to rebuild. All they need is the right support, consistently night after night. A little magnesium, a little vitamin D3 with K2, a little vitamin C. These small, simple choices add up. They can mean the difference between waking up stiff and fragile or waking up renewed and ready to live your life with energy and confidence. So please don't just take this as information. Take it as a reminder that your body is not done, your muscles are not done, and you are not done. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and give your body the chance to grow stronger, one restful night at a time.